Introduction. Asbestos, a hazardous material often found in older homes, can pose significant health risks if not handled properly. If you suspect your home contains asbestos, it's crucial to understand the risks and how to manage the situation safely. In this blog post, we'll discuss the dangers of asbestos, how to identify it, and the recommended steps for its removal. Recognizing the dangers of asbestos. Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral that was once widely used in construction materials due to its fire-resistant and insulating properties. However, asbestos fibers can become airborne when disturbed, and when inhaled, they can cause severe respiratory issues, including asbestosis, lung cancer, and mesothelioma. Identifying asbestos in your home. Asbestos may be present in various materials within your home, such as insulation, roofing, siding, floor tiles, and popcorn ceilings. Identifying asbestos can be difficult, as it is often mixed with other substances. If your home was built before the 1980s and you suspect it contains asbestos, it's best to consult a professional for testing and assessment. Steps for safe asbestos removal. Hire a professional. Removing asbestos is a complex and hazardous task that should be left to qualified professionals. Asbestos abatement contractors have the expertise, equipment, and protective gear necessary to safely handle and dispose of asbestos-containing materials. Do not disturb the material. If you suspect asbestos in your home, avoid disturbing it. This includes not touching, drilling, or attempting to remove the material on your own. Doing so could release dangerous fibers into the air, posing health risks to you and your family. Seal off the area before professional abatement begins. Ensure that the area containing asbestos is sealed off from the rest of the home. This may involve closing doors, covering vents, and using plastic sheeting to prevent asbestos fibers from spreading. Follow legal disposal guidelines. Proper disposal of asbestos-containing materials is crucial to protect public health and the environment. Your asbestos abatement contractor should be familiar with local and federal regulations regarding asbestos disposal and follow them accordingly. Inspect the area post-removal. After the asbestos removal process is complete, it's essential to have the area inspected by an independent professional to ensure all asbestos-containing materials have been safely removed. Conclusion. Dealing with asbestos in your home can be a daunting task, but understanding the risks and the steps for safe removal is essential for protecting your family's health. If you suspect your home contains asbestos, enlist the help of a professional asbestos abatement contractor and take the necessary precautions to ensure a safe and thorough removal process.